Hi and welcome to this Yanda tutorial. My name is Chris and I'm going to be showing you how to get level 2 verification so as you can trade on Yanda. Now you're going to go over to the top right and you're going to be clicking on my profile, which is going to bring you to this page. Hello, Chris. Now down there, you're going to put in you're going to have your username and your email address, and you're going to type in your details here. So first name, last name, your date of birth. We're just going to put this in for now. Your address, the city, the country that you're from. And your postal code. And then you're just going to hit the submit button. And then you'll see it says profile updated. And you can see here under my name, it says verification level 2. And if I go over to dashboard, we got it here. Verification level 2 also. If you have any troubles upgrading from level 1 to level 2, hit us up in the Telegram group or send us an email to support@yanda.io and we'll be happy to get you sorted out. So until the next video, good luck and may the profits always be with you.